Hey, what's going on? In this video, I'm going to show you a quick review video about this powerful MIUI blender 1000 watt powerful 4-in-1. You can see food mixer. This blender is really powerful because right now 5000 people already buy it and 4.9 rating overall. 975 people give reviews. The best part is right now you can buy it with 68% off discount with confident, which will help you to save money. If you check out, they share every single details in the photo that you can use it, and they share everything which will help you and give you a confidence. As you know, real customer never lie. They will always open your eye. That's why if you click these 975 reviews, you will see 4.9 rating, and almost most of the people are give, you can see 885 people give 5-star rating. If you check out here, you can see people are giving 5-star rating. This person's buy it recently and share a beautiful photo. You can see it's looking really great. Like this way, another person share 4 photos. You can see another person shared the photo of this blender. You can see 5 photo, and you can see recommended. So if you want, you can use it for a long time. Let me show you real people opinion, because if you read, it will help you. Very good product, and you can see fast quality material. Share 5 beautiful photo, all looking beautiful. You can see the brand name MIUI. So if you want, you can also check out this product. Right now you will get 68% of discount, and learning from the real customer opinion is really important because they know the real experience. Subscribe and hit the like button.